Today we practice the morning energizing breathwork. So do this with me for 30 days and you'll see your energy going through the roof. Your mind and body will perform at a totally different level. So we're going to do 4 breathing exercises. First, we do Tummo's breathing. Second, breath of fire. Third, Bhastrika Pranayama. And we end with humming bee breath. So without any further ado, first we'll start with Tummo breathing. Tummo breathing is going to build fire in your body. So let's begin. Come to sit in a comfortable cross-legged position. If cross-legged is not possible, you can sit on a stool or a couch. Keep your spine straight and we're going to inhale fully, exhale with pursed lips, just like you're fogging a mirror. Just like this. So let's begin. Inhale. Hold the breath in, hold it for 30 seconds. Amazing. Exhale, inhale normally. And sit in meditation for 30 seconds. Alright, now we're going to do the second set. So by now you probably started feeling your body is energized. So let's energize it a little more. So we're going to do 27 breaths and hold for 45 seconds. So let's begin. Inhale. Hold for 45 seconds. And now inhale, exhale normally. Sit in meditation for 30 seconds. Amazing job, my friends. The second pranayama we go to is Kapalbhati, or breath of fire, to bring this glow around your face area, in your skull area. So let's begin. For this one, focus on exhale. As you exhale, pull the stomach in. Inhale happens organically, automatically. So keep your spine straight. Inhale. Exhale fully. Inhale halfway. And now exhale. Exhale. We go a little faster. Continue. Ten more times. Exhale fully. Hold the diaphragm up and hold the breath out as long as you can. And now, energizing breath in. Hold the breath in for 30 seconds. Inhale, exhale normally. Sit in meditation for 30 seconds. Amazing job, my friends. Now we go into the second set of Kapalbhati. We're going to go a little longer and hold a little longer for 45 seconds. So without any further ado, inhale fully. Exhale fully as you lean back. Inhale halfway and exhale. Ten more times, continue. Exhale fully, hold the breath out, pull the diaphragm up, pull the root chakra up. Inhale. Hold the breath in for 45 seconds. Close your eyes. Inhale, exhale normally. Sit in meditation for 30 seconds. Beautiful practice, my friends. Let's continue going on the third round. Third round, we're going to do Bhastrika Pranayama or Bellows breath. Bellows breath, remember, your inhale and exhale are both active processes and you're breathing into your thoracic cavity in your lungs. So let's begin. Inhale, exhale. Hold for 30 seconds. Now allow the breath to come in, normal breath. Inhale, exhale normally. Sit and watch your body for 30 seconds. Amazing job, my friends. Second set of Bhastrika Pranayama. We're going to go a little longer and hold for again 45 seconds. So let's begin. Inhale. Hold for 30 seconds. Allow the breathing to happen normally. Sit in meditation for 30 seconds. And slowly open your eyes and we get into the fourth round. So the fourth breathing exercise we're going to do is called Bhramari Pranayama or humming bee breath to reset your whole endocrine system. So we're going to focus on creating this vibration, a humming sound around your skull area so we can slowly start to vibrate your hypothalamus, which is the control center of the whole hormone system in the body. So the way we do this is bring the thumb to push the protruding part in your ear, cover the eyes with the two fingers, the bridge of the nose, ring finger, and then slightly cover the mouth with the pinky finger. So let's begin. Inhale. Sit in meditation for 30 seconds, close your eyes, and watch your breath. So my friends, do this with me for 30 days in the morning and you'll see your whole body, the energy of the mind and body perform at a totally different level. And if you haven't checked out our new meditation app where you can customize your sleep music and enhance your meditation practice, please check out the link in the description. And if you like to take this journey of your breath deeper and forward with us, please join us on the membership section where we have special videos which go deeper into the Swara Yoga, the importance of breath in your success. So I hope you got a little value from this video. Until next time, my name is Abhi Dugal. Namaste, peace and love.